Okay, we are back, and the name of this planet is actually Planet K1. I got it wrong. Sorry. Okay, let's see what there is. Blaster.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Okay. Gonna need to save up for a bit.
To quickly center the camera, just tap the L1 button.
Seriously? That's how fast it goes. Okay, I'm gonna get these. Nearly got full on them. Mr. Doggy, you can't attack me. Why aren't you on my side then? Be on my side. Oh, come on, run away. Stupid dog. Come after me, bro. Oh, come on, a helicopter. Shoot. Come on. I'm gonna need to buy a new weapon. Okay. Got some more ammo. I hate that helicopter. Stay away from me. Escalators. Awesome. Oh, these mines. That's right, die. It'd be cool if you could get a shield on this, so you could block things. Well, that was lucky. Okay. I actually made that. I somehow actually did that. Okay. With my wrench. Okay. I'll be quiet now.
Ratchet, that's the man we saw on the infobot. Remember? He knows Captain Quark.
Hey, you're that robot guy, right?
No, actually, I build robots. I myself am not a robot guy, per se.
Nerd.
I like him.
So, now that we've cleared that up, what can I do for you?
Well, we saw your infobot announcement. You were with Captain Quark. We're trying to find Captain Quark. We thought you could help us.
Your logic is commendable. However, I haven't seen Captain Quark since we shot that commercial. Say, do you run on standard XP18 sister boards?
Version 7.66.
Back at ya. I may be able to help you out after all. How does a helipack upgrade sound?
Upgrade?
Match. Since he's a 766, I could have the little guy up and flying in no time. Of course, I'll just need my fee for service.
Okay, we're gonna pay for this.
Okay, this won't hurt a bit.
Hey, wait. Ratchet, am I cool now?
Yeah, you the man, Clank.
You're welcome.
Okay, we're gonna have to save up again.
Try using the Helipack's boost jump feature to climb.
Yeah, I already know. People, I'm sorry about all these help desk things, but if you get the game, you can just get them beat
You'll
yourself.
need your new Helipack strip.
So, I'm just gonna cancel them all. So I have been on all of the Ratchet and Clank games except for Size Matters.
Try using the glide feature of your new Helipack. Jump.
Oh
And
no.
then press and hold the X button in midair to glide.
This one is not the hardest one. This one's like... it may look a bit hard, but trust me. The only hard bit is on Ratchet and when you're fighting. But if you really want it easily, just get the Rhino. It's like the best weapon. But I've never got it before. That's the thing, 'cause I didn't even know about it. We'll get the Rhino later on in the game. Oh no! We're all just gonna drop balls. You get like millions of balls this way. But no. This one isn't the best Ratchet and Clank. We'll be doing all of the Ratchet and Clank walkthroughs. So don't worry if you're having a struggle with any of ones. He is dead. Okay, I'm going to try and actually complete this without using the bomb glove. I may use it occasionally. I will get weapons though. I mean not using the bomb glove, I meant just for this level. This level, their shooting is so sad. I mean, I've seen how fast the bullets go. I mean, my grandma can run faster than that. Okay, so now, and there's a gold bolt down there, I think, but we'll get it later on. Okay, this bit you're meant to jump onto Heli. Ah, shit! And then it's this bit. Smash this. Oh, poo. Sorry about that. Let's try it again. Need to be careful of turns. I haven't been on this in ages, so please do not blame me. It would be awesome if Ratchet could get armor on this one. That was lucky. Just gonna oh, come on. Die. Fall off the edge. Yay. Down there as well, you'll be finding the devil. Bye. Okay, now it's the car. Oh, no! Oh, phew. So many bolts to get from this. Yay! So many lovely bolts. Not the most you can get. Oh, and just to say, the Rhino's 150,000 bolts. I know that is a lot. I'm just going to use it on this guy because I cannot be bothered. Oh well.
Greetings, Executive Chairman Drek. Dispense with the pleasantries, Lieutenant. My sources tell me you're behind schedule. You must prepare this planet to be harvested fit for our new world.
Yes, sir. As you can see, everything is moving along as planned.
I'm counting on you, Lieutenant. And as your former commander can tell you, I don't take disappointment well.
Yes, sir. I won't fail.
Drek is destroying yet another planet.
Yeah, but if that's the kind of help he's getting, I don't think we have anything to worry about.
You should not underestimate Chairman Drek. He is quite dangerous. We must find Captain Quark.
Look, that lieutenant doesn't seem so tough. Let's take him out ourselves.
Perhaps we can persuade the lieutenant to tell us where Drek is.
Now you're talking.
Okay, I'm just gonna stop it there. Bye.